How to add product variants in Shopify easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create product variants in Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your shopify.com and you'll get right here. This is our Shopify admin and I'll show you how to create a product variant. It's really easy. Once you get to the admin, you're going to click on the products. We can create a new product, so click on add product right here. So you will enter your basic detail for your product such as title, description, then we have media, pricing, so I'm going to quickly do that. So once you have entered your title, you have entered your description, product image, you're going to scroll down a little bit. You will find the shipping option as well. And then we have options, like almost at the bottom. We have options. You're going to click on this product has options like size and color. You're going to check this and it will allow you to create different variants. First of all, you will select the variant type. If it's going to be size, color, material, or style, I'm going to go with size. Then you have to enter your options. So we have small. Then I'm going to go with medium and large. Click on done and the variants will be created. Now you can see my product has 3 variants. You can see it says 3 new variants created for small, medium, and large. Let's go ahead and create some other variants. Click on add another option. This time I'm going to go with color. So we have a yellow color. We have a black. And let's say we have red. Click on done and you will see now 9 new variants have been created. If I scroll down, now we have like small yellow, small black, small red, then medium yellow, medium black, medium red, like this. I can now edit different variants. Of course, I can edit their price accordingly. I can also perform bulk actions. So we're going to click on edit and we can edit the prices, the quantities, delete variants, edit the SKUs, HS codes, and many other things. So this is how you create variants on Shopify. You can select the variants you want to show on your store. I have created 9 variants for my product with this option right here. Once you're done, you're going to click on save and your product will be saved and the new variants that you have created. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.